What is up? Today I'm going to show you how to restore some old polish or some old aluminum rims. Make it look like this and this to something a little bit more shiny like these two. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So some things I'm going to be using to restore these is 1, alcohol just to clean it and decontaminate it. 2, ultra high cut compound and a medium cut pad. So what you want to do first, spray it off, get your template clean, make sure to get in any cracks. All right, got it all wiped up. And you want to take your ultra cut compound, get a line on it, or just a couple globs, whatever works best. I have a Torque rotary polish, not rotary, random orbital, whatever polisher. First setting, want to spread it on. Now that it's all spread, you want to go ahead and go to the 3, and kind of work it in, getting your patterns in. All right, I got it worked in really well. I'm gonna go ahead to 5. All right, so there you go. And then take your rag, it's the cleanest part, wipe all that off. And then boom, there you go. It is nice and shiny. Let me do the surrounding parts and I'll come back to you. All right, so you can obviously tell the difference between this shiny one and this not so shiny one. I mean, look at all that stuff. It's disgusting. But got this one shiny. Let's put some metal polish on it. I did forget to bring this out. Boom, metal polish. It's honestly separated. I'm about to shake that up. All right, here's the metal polish, chemical guys. I got this for free for doing a car wash. So let's put this on real quick, see if there's any difference. Stores, let's see the directions. Directions, clean surface, shake well, microfiber, applicator pad. Okay, it says buff. I'm gonna use this for polishing. Take off my buff pad. This is just a super light, what is it? This is just a super light polishing pad. All right, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if the metal polish really helped anything. I actually kind of think this is a little bit more shinier without the metal polish. But yeah, that's how you do it. Alcohol, buff, polish if you want. But it's really that simple. I'm probably gonna put like a wax or ceramic coat on these just to really protect it. And yeah, thanks for watching.